But I hold the government of Kerala squarely responsible for this, because just yesterday, 24 hours ago, they permitted the terror organization Hamas, who was just recently responsible for killing so many innocent people. The head of Hamas yesterday was allowed to speak and speak hatefully about jihad, about waging hatred and war against non-believers, etc., etc.
Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar on Monday hit back at Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, calling him a liar in an ongoing war of words over the blasts in Kerala's Ernakulam that killed 3 people. Moments after the blast, the Union Minister on X slammed the Kerala CM for doing appeasement politics. Referring to the protest against the Israel-Hamas war that Vijayan participated in Delhi, Chandrasekhar said, "Sitting in Delhi and protesting against Israel, when in Kerala open calls by terrorist Hamas for jihad is causing attacks and bomb blasts on innocent Christians."
To accuse me of Vargyavadi, to accuse me of being communal, to accuse our party or our government of doing anything other than looking after the best interests of every Indian is to be a liar. And I am flat out telling him that he is a liar. And he is using lies to cover up his ineptness. He is using his lies to cover up his appeasement politics. If not having links with the SDPI, PFI and the Hamas is the qualification for being called communal, I am proud to say nobody in the BJP nor I have any linkages with SDPI, PFI or the Hamas. But we certainly have strong relationships and strong presence in our outreach to all members of the community, not only in Kerala but all over the country.
To accuse me of being communal or to accuse our party of doing anything other than looking after the best interest of every Indian is to be a liar. Pinarayi Vijayan is a liar. If not having links with the SDPI, PFI and Hamas is the qualification of being called communal, I am proud to say that nobody in BJP has any linkages with SDPI, PFI and Hamas. Chandrasekhar, the Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology, said, "The Kerala CM today had hit back at Chandrasekhar and called him a potent venom." Replying to the Union Minister's liar jibe, CM Pinarayi Vijayan said, "Rajiv Chandrasekhar is not just poison, but very potent venom." Chandrasekhar had blamed the Kerala government's appeasement politics for the triple blasts at a convention centre of Jehovah's Witnesses. The minister cited the controversial virtual speech by Hamas leader Khalid Mashal at a rally in the state's Malappuram to target Pinarayi Vijayan government for looking the other way. Hours later, Vijayan, without naming Chandrasekhar, said that the union minister's remarks were based on a communal agenda. "Those who are poisonous will keep spitting poison," the chief minister said. He is a minister and he should show a minimum level of respect to the investigating agencies. The probe is underway in such a serious incident. At such an early stage, they are making such statements targeting a few sets of people. This is based on their communal agenda. But Kerala does not have such an agenda. Kerala always stood against communalism, he added. Serial blasts at a Christian group's convention centre in Kerala's Kalamassery on Sunday morning killed 3 people and injured 52 others. Preliminary investigation revealed that the Kalamassery explosion was caused by an improvised explosive device. A man named Dominic Martin claimed responsibility for the blasts and surrendered before police in Thrissur. However, police have not yet confirmed his involvement in the explosion. Hours after the blasts, Chandrasekhar had slammed Vijayan in a series of posts.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.